Oh,
Mm.
she's alive.
Enjoying. Emmy is enjoying with her cousin,
No, sister. Cousin,
sister, cousin, sister.
Mama, I want to give her some treasures.
Okay.
Oh.
Then this side,
They have brought many treasures.
Amos and Papa is making snail curry, cleaning up the snail,
This is Tamenglong snail.
Tamenglong snail.
The tastiest snail.
Tastiest.
Tastiest snail in the world.
Okay. Market, you want market?
But this is a tail. So there's tea.
Amos and me
And then one cute squash.
enjoying snail curry.
Papa.
Tamenglong snail. Mama, you like it?
Yes.
Papa and me?
Like it. Again.
Papa, Amos?